that 1 year real quick. From the 1 year standpoint, it does look like we come back to those lows towards the end of the third week, beginning of the fourth week. Interesting. Yeah, this looks pretty solid, guys. So with Mercury retrograde, when you're looking at Mercury retrograde, as in relation to the stock market. So I've been watching Mercury retrograde and the S&P 500, its behavior since 2007. There's 3 to 4 of them a year. It's a lot of Mercury retrogrades to know about. And so basically what you get is this overall trend direction that you have in the pre-shadow period, which is here from the 16th of July to today. You should have that pattern sort of repeat itself in the post market, which is it'll be a little bit shortened, a truncated version, but from the 28th of August to the 11th of September, kind of like a truncated version. In between, you generally get like an inverse of the pattern from the pre-shadow in the actual Mercury retrograde. Yikes. So this is basically something along the lines of what we should see. It's pretty reliable, guys. It's not every single time, but it's pretty reliable. But what you have to keep in mind is that the pattern, it gets broken up because of the weekends. Like Mercury's still doing its thing over the weekends. The stock market is not trading over the weekend, so it breaks. This pattern will be different from this pattern, but the overall trend will basically be the same. You'll get like a kind of like just a variation of it. I'm just double checking here on these price ranges. And this part is, I think, wrong. And sometimes when it's a really strong trend in one direction, the middle portion will be kind of skewed. I'm going to create this again. Going lower there. In the midst of this last bit of a drop here in the last 10 minutes, I would take profits if you're looking to do a day trade. Otherwise, you should hold until the morning. But it's risky, guys. You can always get back in, you know? Like, there's a bullish trade in here. Actually, there's a bearish and a bullish. Pretty wild tomorrow. All right, so let's draw this again. Shoot 'em up. I'm actually doing a special just for Mercury retrograde, but I'll hop on after this and take a look at it for you if I have time. Otherwise, you can just catch it tomorrow if they do. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Okay. So we've got... '26, '27... Wow, that's timed really well. There should be a sharp drop there. Not sure how that Ace of Swords got all the way up there. That's weird. Somewhere around there. I'm surprised that that this is the level I'm putting in. I didn't think it would go this high. Alright, so let's try and draw that now. Where'd it go? Oh. See if that's right. Yeah, dope. So that goes hand in hand with what I expected, which is that we would see like another low down here. And again, guys, you can get the live updated version of this trading view chart with this link that you get on our angel investor Discord. Sorry. Which is different than the SPY chart because I didn't want to. There was so much other stuff in the SPY, like I didn't want to overdo it. You see all this stuff here. Yeah, I would definitely, if you're looking for a day trade, guys, close out of those shorts now. I would not wait any longer. We're gonna have a pop right here. And I'm not seeing it as a trade, so don't go hopping into a short in the midst of this pop. But we should open higher with a drop into a low and then back to a high there in the early morning. Okay, so that's Mercury retrograde, guys. Basically, we've got this inverse kind of pattern here. But these ellipses are basically where we should see like the green, you should see a peak or a crest of some kind, and the red ellipses you should see troughs. So this is a trough forming here now. Reversal day. All right, I'm gonna hop off, guys.